Have you ever looked at your floor and felt like it just doesn't match the rest of your beautiful home? Maybe it looks old, dull, or simply out of style. What if I told you that you can completely transform your floors without spending a fortune or going through a messy renovation? Welcome to the world of PVC vinyl flooring, one of the smartest, easiest, and most affordable ways to upgrade your home. Whether you're building a new space or giving your old one a fresh new look, vinyl flooring can make a huge difference. It's stylish, durable, water-resistant, and comes in designs that look exactly like real wood, marble, or stone, but at a fraction of the cost. In today's video, I'll take you through the perfect step-by-step guide for installing PVC vinyl flooring in your home. You'll learn everything, from choosing the right type of vinyl and preparing your floor, to installing it like a pro and keeping it looking brand new. The best part? You don't need to be a professional to do this. With a few simple tools, some patience, and the right method, anyone can achieve a clean, modern, and luxurious floor finish. So if you're ready to say goodbye to boring floors and hello to a stylish, practical, and affordable upgrade, stay tuned till the end of this video. By the time we're done, you'll have all the confidence and knowledge to install your own PVC vinyl flooring perfectly and transform your home, one step at a time. Why choose PVC vinyl flooring? Let's start by answering a simple question. Why is PVC vinyl flooring becoming so popular these days? Well, it's because it gives you the best of everything: beauty, strength, and affordability, all in one package. Vinyl flooring is made from durable synthetic materials that are designed to last for years, even in busy homes. It's water-resistant, so you can install it in kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms without worrying about damage. It also feels soft and comfortable underfoot, unlike hard tiles or concrete. Another reason people love it is because of its realistic designs. You can find vinyl floors that look just like wooden planks, stone tiles, or marble, and unless you touch them, it's hard to tell the difference. Plus, it's scratch-resistant and low-maintenance, which makes it perfect for families with kids or pets. And here's the best part: it's affordable and easy to install. You don't need to hire expensive professionals. With a bit of time and care, you can do it yourself and still get a stunning result. So if you're looking for flooring that's practical, stylish, and budget-friendly, PVC vinyl flooring is the perfect choice. Types of vinyl flooring. Before you start installing, it's important to know that not all vinyl flooring is the same. There are different types, and choosing the right one depends on your space and your style. The first type is sheet vinyl. This comes in large rolls and is ideal for wide, open areas. It gives a smooth, seamless look and is great for rooms where you want fewer joins, like kitchens or bathrooms. Then we have vinyl planks, also called LVP, luxury vinyl planks. These look exactly like wooden planks and are very popular for living rooms and bedrooms. They're easy to install and bring that cozy, natural wood feel. Next are vinyl tiles, LVT. These are square pieces that look like ceramic tiles or stone. They're perfect if you want a stylish pattern or a creative design. And finally, there's click-lock vinyl flooring, the easiest option for beginners. You simply click and lock the planks together without any glue, which makes it perfect for a DIY project. So, depending on your taste and where you're installing it, you can choose from sheet, plank, tile, or click-lock styles. Each one gives your home a different look and personality. And that's the fun part of designing your floor. Tools and materials you'll need. Now that you know which type of vinyl flooring you want, let's get your tools ready. Trust me, having everything prepared before you start makes installation much smoother and faster. Here's what you'll need. Measuring tape, to measure your room accurately. Utility knife or vinyl cutter, for clean and precise cuts. Adhesive or click-lock system, depending on the type of flooring you've chosen. Straight edge or ruler, to guide your cuts perfectly. Floor roller, to press the flooring down and remove air bubbles. Cleaning tools, like a broom, vacuum, or mop to clean your base floor. If you're using adhesive, you'll also need a trowel to spread the glue evenly. And don't forget your safety gear. Gloves and knee pads will make the job more comfortable. Before you begin, check that your vinyl flooring pieces are in good condition and that all your materials are within reach. Preparation saves time and prevents mistakes once you start installing. Preparing your floor. Before you begin the actual installation, the most important step is preparation. A clean and smooth base is the secret to a perfect, long-lasting floor. Think of it like painting a wall. If the surface underneath isn't even, the result won't look good no matter how great the paint is. Start by removing old flooring, carpets, or debris from the surface. If you're installing vinyl over tiles or concrete, make sure it's flat and level. Fill any cracks or holes using a floor filler and let it dry completely. Next, clean the entire surface. Sweep away dust, vacuum, and mop the area so it's completely dry and free of dirt. Any small particles can create bumps under the vinyl. If you're using sheet vinyl or adhesive-backed planks, make sure the floor is completely smooth. For click-lock vinyl, you can lay it over most existing hard floors, but still ensure it's even. Here's a pro tip. Let your vinyl flooring sit in the room for at least 24 hours before installation. This helps the material adjust to the room's temperature and humidity, preventing expansion or shrinking later. Taking the time to prepare properly ensures your floor looks professional and stays perfect for years. Installation step by step. Now comes the exciting part, installing your vinyl flooring. Whether you're using adhesive or click-lock planks, follow these steps carefully for the best results. Start from one corner of the room and work your way across. Begin by measuring and cutting your vinyl sheets or planks to fit the space. Always leave a small gap, around a 1/4 inch, between the vinyl and the wall. This allows room for natural expansion. If you're using adhesive vinyl, spread the glue evenly on the floor using a trowel. Then carefully lay the vinyl piece by piece, pressing firmly to remove air bubbles. Use a floor roller to smooth it out and ensure good contact with the surface. For click-lock vinyl planks, simply align one edge with another and press down until you hear a click. It's simple, clean, and doesn't need glue. Make sure each plank fits tightly to avoid gaps. When you reach corners or door edges, measure and trim the vinyl using a utility knife. Always double-check your cuts before sticking or clicking them in place. Accuracy makes your flooring look perfectly seamless. Work patiently, and by the time you reach the last section, you'll start seeing your new floor come to life. Clean, modern, and beautifully finished. Finishing touches. Once your vinyl flooring is installed, it's time for the finishing touches that make it look truly professional. First, press down all edges and corners to make sure they're firmly stuck and flat. Then, install skirting boards or base trims around the walls to hide the small expansion gap you left earlier. This gives the floor a polished, complete look. If you removed any doors or baseboards before starting, now is the time to put them back carefully. After that, clean the entire surface with a damp cloth or mop to remove any dust or glue marks. Avoid using too much water, especially if your vinyl isn't fully waterproof. Finally, step back and admire your work. A sleek, flawless floor that instantly makes your space feel new and stylish. Remember, those final touches, trimming, cleaning, and sealing, are what turn a simple DIY job into a stunning, professional quality finish. Maintenance and care. Your new floor looks amazing. Now let's make sure it stays that way. PVC vinyl flooring is known for being easy to maintain, but a few simple habits will keep it looking perfect for years. Start by sweeping or vacuuming regularly to remove dirt and dust that could scratch the surface. Clean up any spills right away using a soft cloth. Vinyl is water resistant, but standing water can damage the adhesive over time. Use mild floor cleaners instead of harsh chemicals, as strong products can dull the shine or harm the surface. If you have heavy furniture, place felt pads or mats under the legs to prevent dents and scratches. And avoid dragging furniture across the floor. Lift it instead. You can also use rugs in high-traffic areas like hallways or entryways to protect your floor and keep it looking fresh. With just a few minutes of care every week, your PVC vinyl floor will stay as beautiful as the day you installed it, shiny, smooth, and elegant. Cost and DIY tips. Now let's talk about one of the biggest reasons people love PVC vinyl flooring, the cost. Compared to hardwood or marble, vinyl is much more affordable while still giving you that premium look. On average, you can install beautiful vinyl flooring for a fraction of the price of other materials. And the best part is, you can often do it yourself. Here are a few smart DIY tips to save time and money. Buy 10% extra material. This helps cover mistakes, cutting waste, or future repairs. Plan your layout before starting. It ensures that patterns or planks line up neatly. Work slowly and measure twice, cut once. Precision is key to professional-looking results. If you're installing over existing flooring, make sure it's flat and clean for the best bond. Watch a few quick tutorials or practice on a small corner first if it's your first time. With the right preparation, you can easily handle this project on your own and enjoy the satisfaction of transforming your home, without needing expensive contractors. And that's it, your perfect step-by-step guide to installing PVC vinyl flooring in your home. You've learned everything, from choosing the right type, preparing the base, and installing it properly, to maintaining that brand new shine. PVC vinyl flooring is proof that upgrading your home doesn't have to be complicated or costly. With the right approach, a few tools, and a little patience, you can create a space that looks elegant, clean, and modern, all by yourself. So, are you ready to give your home a fresh new look? Start today and see how a simple flooring change can completely transform your space. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone planning a home makeover. And don't forget to comment below, which vinyl flooring design would you choose? Wood, marble, or stone finish? For premium flooring materials, expert installation, and design inspiration, visit fixitdesign.ae, your trusted source for luxury vinyl, laminate, and wooden floors in Dubai. Because a great home starts from the ground up, and your floor deserves nothing less than perfection.